Hello, boss. Our national holiday will come. What should we do for our customs?
Okay, our national holiday will come. It is from October 1 to October 7. It is the longest holiday in China. Because it is in the mid-autumn, the weather is very good for traveling. So people always use this opportunity to have travel around with their family or friends. So we should tell our customer first what has happened in China, and then they may understand. For example, if they contact with us but we cannot answer their mails or message in the first time, they may angry or misunderstood. But if we tell them, they will understand what has happened in China. Second thing, refer to our company, Forsun CNC. Also, it is a holiday time, but refer to our salespeople. Our mobiles will be open 24 hours a day. So no matter when they contact with us, we always answer their message or mails or make price to them or give support to them in the first time. Customers always in priority for our company. And also, if the customer always deals with business with us, we also can suggest the customers to have a short holiday. Because it is not an easy job to do international business, always very tired, and we have different time. So if they can use this opportunity to relax themselves, it will also good for our future business.
Okay, perfect.
Thank you.